Mid-diastolic murmur in mitral stenosis. Low-pitched rough rumbling murmur. Murmur begin with opening snap after S2. It increases in intensity before S1, called presystolic accentuation. Pansystolic murmur in mitral regurgitation. It starts with S1. So obscures S1. It has a blowing quality. Ejection systolic murmur in aortic stenosis. Begins after S1 and ends before S2. Diamond-shaped, that is, crescendo, decrescendo, murmur. And, it's a harsh murmur. Early diastolic murmur in aortic regurgitation. Begins with A2. It's a decrescendo murmur. And a high-pitched murmur.